A landed home, the ultimate dream home of most people in Singapore. Most, if not all, choose a landed home for the exclusive land ownership and for the size and rooms so the whole family can live under one roof together. The long-term investment objective is always the motivation factor by most in our land-scarce Singapore. Hello everyone, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai. Thanks for watching my video. I'm now in Westwood Park, one of the most highly sought-after landed enclave here in the western part of Singapore. Why is that so? Well, because it is conveniently located with amenities for your daily essentials, all within walking distance. Besides that, connectivity to public transport and highways is also easily accessible, making your daily commute a breeze. I will share with you more on the locality later in this video, but now let me show you a unique inter-terrace with an unconventional layout here at Westwood Crescent.
This is a 99 years leasehold 3-storey inter-terrace with a built-up area of 2,497 square feet and a land size of 1,615 square feet. There are 5 bedrooms with 3 en-suites. The southwest-facing orientation ensures no harsh western sun, allowing for a cool and pleasant ambience all day long. Let's begin by looking at the floor plan. We enter into the house via the car porch, which is big enough for a multi-purpose vehicle or MPV. Next to it, we have the turf. Entering the house via the foyer, we will be greeted by an unconventional layout where the kitchen grabs the spotlight at the front of the house. Moving on, we have the dining hall, powder room, living hall, and a courtyard. Moving upstairs, our unconventional layout comprises of a bedroom on every half floor, giving every room individual privacy and convenience. On level 2, we have a storeroom and a yard for your laundry, followed by bedroom 1 with an attached bath. Moving a short flight of stairs upwards, we have the master bedroom, master bath, and a balcony. On level 3, we have bedroom 2 with its attached bath. Next flight of stairs will bring us to bedroom 3 and 4, where both share the same bath and open up to a common balcony. Now that we have an idea of how the layout looks like, let's move on to see the actual house. As we already know, we enter the house via the foyer where the kitchen is at the front. This ingenious arrangement ensures maximum privacy, shielding the heart of your home from prying eyes or passers-by and strangers. Living and dining are separated via a split level, giving you well-defined spaces. Living room is squarish and spacious, giving you absolute flexibility to decorate and furnish however you like. Opening up to the courtyard, it is always bright and airy, adding comfort and tranquility as you enjoy quality time with your family. Explore the boundless potential of a courtyard that invites your creativity to flourish. Construct your ultimate dream oasis with an extended living room, outdoor kitchen, dining area, extra room, garden, playground, jacuzzi, and beyond. The only limit is your imagination. Let's move to upstairs to see the bedrooms. All bedrooms are of good size, allowing easy placement of furniture. The back of our house is unblocked, giving you absolute privacy. Master bedroom is huge, where the balcony opens up to a quiet and pleasant view. You can even design a walk-in wardrobe here. Moving on to see the rest of the bedrooms, which are all squarish and spacious, bright and airy, where you can design and decorate to suit your needs. You can really make this the ideal home for your family. Now that we have seen the house, let's move on to see the amenities. As mentioned earlier, Westwood Park is conveniently located where amenities are within easy reach, and connectivity for your daily commute is a breeze. For the drivers, we are close to PIE, where a 30 to 35 minutes drive will bring us to Orchard Road. We are also close to AYE, which links us to the Marina Bay Sands in 30 to 35 minutes too. If the plan is to travel north, PIE that links to KJE and BKE will get us there in less than 25 minutes. If driving is not your cup of tea, the nearest bus stop is a short walk away, where a 15 minutes bus ride will take us to the Jurong Point and Boon Lay MRT station. Come 2027, when the Gateway MRT of the Jurong Region Line becomes operational, our convenience will be further enhanced as this station will only be a 10 minutes walk away. Talking about Gateway, the Gateway Shopping Centre, which is a mere 10 minutes walk away, is where you can get all your daily essentials, from eateries to hair salons, supermarket to clinics, you name it. In addition, we are also within 2 kilometers to 6 primary schools, offering families with young children a variety of choices. They are Westwood Primary, West Cove Primary, Corporation Primary, Xingnan Primary, Jurong West Primary, and Jiying Primary. Therefore, with easy accessibility to amenities and good connectivity for your daily commute, it is no wonder why Westwood Park is always the top of choice among landed home hunters here in the West.
So there you have it, an inter-terrace with a courtyard in an interesting layout where you can stretch your imagination to build your dream home for you and your family. If this is your ideal dream home indeed, call or text me now by scanning this QR code, and I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai, signing off. Cheers.